All hands on deck. All in the front, all in the back, just like that, like that.
Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Tasha Nicole here. In today's video, I will be doing an all black Radiance makeup tutorial using nothing but black Radiance products. Now, I decided to do this makeup tutorial because I've been rocking with black Radiance for about 3 years now, you know, when I first started getting into makeup. And they are very inexpensive. They are a black owned company. They are a drugstore, so they are very affordable, very inexpensive. And they all about hashtag Black Beauty Matters, and that's why I love this company, and that's why this video is dedicated to Black Radiance. I love their products dearly, and again, this is the look that I created with their products. So if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, please comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell by the subscribe button. I love you guys. Take care. Bye. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Concealer, and this is from Dark to Deep. I went into the darker shade to conceal my eyebrows, and I also dragged that down a bit to use it as an eyeshadow base. Next is the Refining Skin Primer, and this is in Primey, and I'm just using this as a base before I apply my foundation. Next is the Berry Vibes eyeshadow palette. I went into that orangey color first for the crease. Now guys, this eyeshadow palette is pretty pigmented, so you're going to experience a lot of fallout. Usually when palettes are pigmented, you're going to experience some fallout or a lot of fallout. It just depends. As you guys can see, it's a lot of excess eyeshadow that just went off that brush just now. And then I went into like this soft metallic color. It wasn't as dramatic as some of the other colors in the shadow, so in the eyeshadow palette, I'm sorry. So I just used it, and I really like the color. I had to go back in it though, because it wasn't showing like I thought it would be. But then again, it is a soft eyeshadow, so that's why I like it. Then this is like a plum color. And at first, I was applying it using the flat side of this brush right here, and then I went back in and use my finger to apply it. And I say this sometimes in my makeup tutorials: your finger is your best applicator when it comes down to eyeshadow. And then I went to this lighter color. It looked like a light pink that I was using. And I just put that in the middle of the plum eyeshadow, just to give it just a little bit of effect. Nothing major. Then I went to like the grayish color, and I've used it on the outer corners and onto the crease. And this is the retractable eyeliner. I accidentally picked up this one. I literally thought that I picked up the liquid eyeliner, but this kind of worked a little bit. But I really recommend using like a gel eyeliner or liquid eyeliner instead of these retractable eyeliners right here. And this is the Body Builder mascara. I almost forgot the name of it. But this is the Body Builder mascara. And this is the Color Perfect foundation, and I am in Cocoa Bean. And I'm just going to blend it out. And this is the Cream Contour Kit. This, I think I may have possibly got the wrong one because it wasn't showing up like I thought it would be. And I was trying my damnedest to make this show, but it wasn't working out for me. And then I went into the blush, and this is the Warm Berry. I really don't use blush, but I just brought it because. And then I went into the illuminator in the contour kit. And I was putting it on my cheekbones. And then I went into the eyeshadow palette and got one of the other shimmery colors out there. It's like a goldish color. Also went into that same shade and put it on my tear ducts. Same eyeliner, just using it for the waterline and underneath the eyeline underneath. Then I just put some mascara on the bottom lash. And this lipstick is in Mocha.
Give me all that you got now. Make you want me